So guys, me take on the challenge and decide say me go weed on the party myself. So I came over here about 4 o'clock and now it's about 5:30 and I'm doing quite well. I am so proud of myself because I have really done a lot in such a short period of time. So I'm gonna continue and see if I can finish weed off out to that end. I'm using a machete. I don't know if you guys can see the machete out there. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Have my water right there. So yes guys, I have taken on this challenge on my own because I want to get the tomatoes plant. So sometimes you have to just do things yourself so you can get things done. When my workers are busy, I have to go ahead and, because I don't normally weed down this grass like this. I'll go and weed out the like if I plant tomato and grass coming up, I'll weed out that. But I never normally take on the challenge of weeding down grass myself. So I have, and I am doing great. I wish I had taken the tripod to show you guys how I was doing it, but yeah, I'm proud of myself.